warning for central Olmsted County in southeastern Minnesota, southwestern Wabash County in southeastern Minnesota, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:47 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Oronoto, or 11 miles north of Rochester, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will be near Elgin around 6:15 p.m. Ayoda around 6:25 p.m. Dover around 6:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include South Troy, Ring, County Roads 9 and 10, County Roads 79 and 2, Rattlesnake Point, Potsdam and County Roads 137 and 136. This includes Interstate 90 in Minnesota between mile markers 220 and 232. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following counties in Minnesota: Olmsted and Wabash.
Oh my god.
This is New Weather Radio WXK41 in Rochester, broadcasting on a frequency of 162.475 megahertz from the National Weather Service Office in La Crosse, Wisconsin.
Damn.